How to use Perplexity AI for resume writing. In order to use Perplexity AI for resume writing, the first step is using to Perplexity to understand what a specific employer is looking for. So what you want to do is open up your Perplexity app onto your device. Then you just want to paste a job description and ask, based on this job description, list the top 15 keyword and technical skills I must include to pass the ATS. And ask Perplexity to analyze this job description and summarize the top three core problem this role is intended to solve, and this helps you frame your experiences as a solutions to their specific need as well. You could also use Perplexity's search capabilities to find the company's current project or mission statement to help tailor your professional summary as well. Next, you could go and draft and refine the content as well, and then you could go ahead and review the formatting as well. So this way you'll be able to use Perplexity AI for resume writing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.